In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the logo of your dropshipping store on Shopify. So what we need to do is open our Shopify web store. And once you are going to sales channel and click on online store, you will arrive at this page. What we need to do next is click on customize, and this will bring you into the Shopify editor. Now the next step is to select your header. And as you can see, there are a lot of options on the right side. If you scroll down, we won't see any logo options, but we got something for you. So what you need to do is go to the settings. After that, you will find logo. And once you are there, you are able to select your logo. So what we will do, we will select logo. And now we have to upload our logo into this. So we will search for our logo. And basically it doesn't matter which logo you take. For example, if we would like to take this logo, we will select it and now it will be uploaded. Once this logo is uploaded, then we can select it and then click on done. And as you can see, this logo will be changed into our customized logo for our dropshipping store. And that is basically how you change your logo of your dropshipping store on Shopify. Thank you for watching.